My name is Asad and today we are going to be doing a pizza challenge. So we have doors here and I am missing my partner. So today we are making pizzas. Yes. So the challenge is that we have two pizza doughs laid out for us. And now we can choose any of these toppings that we have in front of us. And now we will make a pizza out of it. So let's start. So first, I will grab this secret pizza sauce that my mom made. And then spread it all out. I will spread it all out. I am winning! No, I didn't win. I made a mess. That looks good on it. My sauce is on too. And with the sauce layer, now we are going to use pizza cheese. The cheese layer. The pizza cheese layer. Grab your cheese, boy. Okay. Let's cut a dozen of them. I might be done with my cheese, so I will just spread it. So now I'm done with the cheese. So now what will I put on? Wait, I will just put some more cheese. Take some sausages and put them all over the pizza. मैं तो चिकन ना रखता हूँ. Now I will put some chicken. I won't, since he does not like that much spices, because he is a spiceless person. He does not like any spices, and don't ever make me eat spicy noodles ever again. He drinks 2 glasses of water after eating something spicy. And never make me eat the ghost pepper. You will die from the spices. Yep, that's it. I will put a lot of chicken on, since he won't use any. And he used all the pepperoni when I told him to save something. Mine. Sorry, pepperoni was delicious. Some more chicken. I am eating some pepperoni if you know. I won't save any olives for him. They're my favorite fruit. Give me a Give those olives. Sprinkle. Hello. There will be a lot of mess in the kitchen. Don't ask why. All because of me. Crazy person. Really? Yes. hands are slippery.
All because of the pepperoni.
Now some corn. Hey, wait! I was putting corn first.
No.
Give it back. Yeah. Fine, I'll put something else.
Put tomatoes that time.
I'm gonna put mushrooms. Scatter the pepperoni around.
Wow, we are putting so many corns. Here, have some corn.
Yay.
Don't take the corn from the ghost.
Now some tomatoes.
Here's some tomatoes for me.
Need that. Why? Because you didn't save any pepperoni for me.
Oh, you can take all of it.
You can put them wherever you want.
Okay.
I will put more chicken. Yes, I am obsessed with chicken.
Now cabbage.
Cabbage? Huh?
Yes.
Okay, you are a first grade dropout.
Literally, I don't remember the name.
My pizza is very loaded. I don't think it will fit in the oven.
Wowee.
Here.
Give me some. Give me some onion.
Now I'm gonna put the pineapple. No, I'm not a maniac. I will not put pineapples on pizza.
No, give me that.
Give me capsicum. I'm more educated than you, kid. कैसा चाय नहीं लगवाया?
Some corn, I guess.
I thought you hated spicy chicken.
It is delicious.
Outside.
Don't throw capsicum.
This chicken is mine, and so is this corn. I thought mine was full. What is his?
I'm not a
didn't even
professional.
save anything behind.
I'm not a professional pizza maker, so don't ask why is that the thing.
Now I'm going to put more mozzarella on since that wasn't enough. And I made a mess. I was saying that he makes a mess. Now we have cheese slices and we will put them on by breaking them into bits like this
Or you can put the full one.
or that.
But little pieces makes it yummy.
So we have in total 5 pieces of cheese slices. Huh?
तुम ऐसे कितनी अजीब सी कर रहे हैं?
Since we don't have any more shredded cheese, we are using this now. And stop eating it, it's so bad.
What's wrong?
It says hoppy. It says hoppy. Hobby! It says hobby. He dances while doing everything.
Then that be the crumbs.
And I have wasted a piece of cheese. And it's on my shoes.
Literally ruining some cheese what I could eat.
Let's go, yeah, Hawaiian meat, everything mixed.
Oh.
The an awesome combination.
That's my secret pizza. What I was saving. To tell
Yes,
you later.
like you knew how to make it from the start.
Dude. I'm making it the first time.
The first time.
And you've already seen.
The first time.
And you've already seen so many times how to make a pizza. I've never seen one time how to make a pizza. I just love to eat pizza but don't know how to make it. So this might be the weirdest pizza you'll ever see.
We have to taste test it at the end. Pineapples on my slice.
Oh yes, I will put so many.
Yes, thank you. How many more slices?
If you-
Finally, they ended. They ended.
You can
Yeah.
have mine. No, I don't want it. So
I'm
yeah,
done with my cheese slices.
I'm on my last cheese slice. Let's
And
see
now
how
I'm
this
gonna
goes.
throw the garbage away.
Yes, good idea. I won't do that. You have to do that. You have to do that for
Crazy
me.
kid.
What?
Nothing.
Oh, I know what you said, crazy kid. That was quite mean of you.
It's nothing. I said nothing.
Waggy, I can hear you.
No, you can't.
I'm not like I can't hear you.
No, you can't.
I finally made my pizza. Missing one thing.
Oh, don't say it's tomatoes. Pizza. Now I'm done with this. I don't know what else to do now except put it in the oven. I have put it in with the help of my mother. So now my pizza is done cooking and this is what it looks like. Not bad for my first job making a pizza. It's very delicious. I can't wait to try my brother's pizza. And Hadi's pizza is still cooking in the oven. It's still baking in the oven. And when it will be done, I will notify you.
मेरे कितनी देर है? शुक्र है मेरे चिकन आई है. I'm so excited to eat my pizza. It's ready. We can see everything: the corn, mushrooms, the meat, and everything.